Hi, I'm Russell from Drillbrush. Some of you will recognize the connector on your brushes as a standard 1/4" quick change shaft. If so, great! This will be a really short video for you. Just install the drill brush the same as any other quick change bit. If not, don't fret. This is one of the easiest connectors to use. This part of the drill is usually called the chuck, and it's the part that connects the drill to whatever bit or tool you're using. Many screwdrivers and small impact drivers use a quick change connector. To install your drill brush in one, just slide the collar, insert the bit into the chuck, and release the collar. The brush should now be securely attached to the drill. Removing the brush is even easier. Just slide the collar and pull on the brush.
But what if my drill looks like this?
That's a 3-jaw chuck. First loosen the chuck by spinning the collar until the shaft of the brush can slide in. Make sure that all 3 jaws are in contact with the flat parts of the shaft's hexagonal cross-section, not the corners. Now tighten the chuck by spinning the collar in the opposite direction. On most consumer tools, you'll hear or feel the collar click once it's tight enough. To remove the brush, do the same thing in reverse. Loosen the collar by turning it in the opposite direction, and you should be able to easily pull out the brush. Last but not least, we strongly discourage using corded drills for cleaning applications. These brushes are often used with liquid cleaners, and this poses a significant shock hazard with almost anything that uses a wall outlet. And now you know how to install a drill brush power scrubber in your cordless drill. If you found this video helpful, we have an entire series on drill brush tips and tricks that can be found in this playlist. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, and check out our products on drillbrush.com. Thanks for watching, and from all of us here at Drillbrush, happy scrubbing!